How do you say hi in Italian? The word hi in Italian is ciao. Ciao. Ciao, come stai? Ciao, come stai? Hi, how are you? Ciao, Marco. Ciao, Marco. Hi, Marco. Ciao a tutti. Ciao a tutti. Hi, everyone. The word ciao in Italian can mean hi, but it can also mean bye. It's a very informal word, so try to avoid it in formal settings like business meetings or when greeting elders, but you can use it with friends, family, or people your own age. Ciao, sono Anna. Ciao, sono Anna. Hi, I'm Anna. Ciao, che bello vederti. Ciao, che bello vederti. Hi, so nice to see you. Ciao ragazzi. Ciao ragazzi. Hi guys. So if you want to say hi in Italian, you say ciao. And if you want to learn to speak Italian, you can get my course 3 Minutes Italian by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Grazie.